Hi, welcome to my Enhancement 8. This is Kelly Shepard. And we went ahead and we worked on our different, that all works. We can do some explosives. And we got our rockets. And now let's look at our oops, let me get the right part. There we go. This is our HTML check, and this is our CSS check. And so everything is working as we wanted it there. Let's go ahead and we can check out explosives. It works with all of them. We already did explosives. Let's look at the miscellaneous. As you can see, we have that working just fine as well. So, and it works with the different sizes for our large, medium, and small sizes. It works just fine. So anyway, that's my Enhancement 8. Thank you so much for your time.